Alright, this is how to for snow leopard on a XPS 1530 M1530. Yeah. Well, the first thing you should do is download snow leopard. Um, well, and yeah. Well, once you install it, once you burn it, you should. What? Alright, this is a how to on snow leopard on a Dell XPS 1530. Yeah. Well, the first thing you should do is have the boot disk or whatever snow leopard you have. In this case, we got iACOS S3 version 2. And when you boot it up, you should press F8 to get to this menu. Alright. You should go to the highlighted right here to the CD. Highlight it and type in negative V space hold on. CPUS equals 1 space max mem. I don't know if you can see this. Max mem equals 2048. Once you click that, make sure your thing is highlighted. This is what this should say. Well, once you do that, you hit enter. And it should start running. You'll get this. Take a while. Alright, we'll be back when this finishes. Yeah, you get that. Alright, we're back. So, after like about 20 minutes or so, you should have the screen. All you do, well, you could click English or whatever you want. I guess you'll click English. And you just wait for this. Yeah, I might just leave it like this for a while. So, cause this kind of takes a while too, so, yeah. Alright, it's done. So, you should be at this screen where it says Install Mac OSX. Yeah, whatever, you can read that. You go up here where it says Utilities. Make that clear. Right there, Utilities. You click on this Unity. I don't know if you can see it. And you should get this screen. And well, alright, let's wait for this to load. Alright, the first thing you want to do is, well, it depends. If you are going to do a doable with Windows Vista or Windows 7, you're going to have to make a partition. So in order for you to do that, you go right here. You click on your main hard drive. And you click on partition. Once you click there, you should click right here and click 3 partitions. And alright, this part is important. You click on each partition. For example, right here, you click on it. You must make it Mac OS Extended Journal for the first 2. So once you do that, you go to the last one. This you make Fat OS. Click it. MS DOS Fat, almost like the second to last. Click on it. And then once you do that, you press apply. But I already did that, so yeah, I'm gonna skip that. So once you have it, go to your primary one, which is Mac OSX. You go to erase up there, second one. You name it whatever. Make sure it's Mac OS extended. Click on erase. It will actually wanna erase. You just press erase. Erasing. Alright, it's done. Now all you gotta do is exit out of it. Click on the little red thing. Now once again you'll be back at this screen. Click and continue. If you want you could read the readme, but it's not important since I'm gonna tell you how to do this anyway, so yeah. You click next. That arrow, yeah. Okay. You must click on Mac OSX. That's the primary disk for installation. Do not press install. Click on customize. Alright. This is the tricky part. For bootloader, keep it at Acer BLN version 1.1.9. That always works. Try that. For bootloader options, enable 32 minus bit boot. Enable graphics enabler. And if you want, you can enable negative PCI, but you don't need it. If you want, you could also install this, but it's not necessary. For patches, make sure these are clicked, the first three, by default. On RTC, click 32-bit. Uncheck this. You do not touch the modified kernels at all. Alright, hold on. It froze. Alright. Make sure Evil Reboot is on. Click on Sleep Enabler. USB isn't necessary, but if you have problems, you should click on there. This isn't important either. Now you go to drivers on main hardware. Click on SATA and make sure you have the first one clicked. For sound, have both of them clicked, Voodoo and Apple. For PS2, make sure you install both, because you never know, it might not work. For CPU, install Evil Speed Step and Voodoo Power. This is basically for like the battery. And if you want to install Voodoo P-State, I'm going to install it. Now for the laptop hardware, make sure you install battery. Card reader is optional. You don't need that. You don't need that. You must install MTFS 3G. For VGA, just leave that blank since you have graphic enabler. Network. Well, this is where it's kind of tricky since you must have either Broadcom or one of these wireless. My computer already came with Broadcom, so I'm just click on that. But you could buy it off of eBay or something if your computer doesn't have the wireless chip. And yeah, for wired, usually. Usually it should be the Marble Yukon one, the first one. Again, I don't know how your computer is set up and what kind of hardware you have, so make sure you have the right driver. Or you could just leave it uninstalled. You could always install it later. And then for language translation, that's optional. If you want Spanish, Turkish, Japanese, German, whatever you want, just install it if you want. And you press OK. Make sure you click on Mac OSX or whatever hard drive you was using for the install, and click on install. It says installing Mac on the disk, right here. It says that, whatever. Alright, something should come up. Oh, never mind, it doesn't come up. It says about 18 minutes, but seriously, this takes like 40, 30, 50. Just fucking lie. So, see you then. Alright, we're back. It should say install succeeded, whatever, that word. With a big check. All you gotta do is restart now. Restart. Yeah. Alright. Restarting. When you restart, make sure you take out the CD, the DVD, whatever you made it into. Got my soda. This is alright. What you wanna do here is press anything and click on the Mac OSX. This is normal. Don't worry. This is normal. All you gotta do is restart. Alright. Back to the Mac OSX. Get this. Get this. Don't fuck up, don't fuck up, don't fuck up. There you go. That's a good sign. Apple. Anyways, this usually takes a long time as well, so yeah. I'm telling you, Mac can be kinda gay sometimes, but we'll be back. Alright, we're back. You should have this screen, the wonderful fucking Mac screen. This is the reason I like reinstalling all the time for this shit right here. Isn't that shit beautiful? Look at it. Look at that shit. Alright, anyways, this is the part where fuck, my camera just turned off, so sorry. Anyways, this is the welcome screen. All you gotta do is press continue. Select the US keyboard. You will need to click on the last option. Do not transfer any information. Continue. Alright. If you install your wireless plug, you should be able to have this right now. And select the network. Press continue. Alright, this is where you enter your Apple ID. If you don't have one, just press continue. We're gonna just press continue to save time. Alright, this is where you register. Yeah, you have to register. You can't go by. So, we'll be right back. Alright, I filled everything out. You press continue. It asks you a few more questions, which I don't know why they want to know that. Click on whatever corresponds with you. My case, I'll put in college and student, because that's me. Yeah. Alright. Page account. Yeah, just press continue. Unless you want to put a password, go ahead, put a password. You don't really need it. Unless you're super protected over your Mac or whatever, or your Hackintosh. Alright. Anyways, connecting to Apple. Talking with Apple. Alright, this way take a picture, yeah. Well, yeah, you don't have to take one. Anyways, just select a picture, whatever. I'm gonna select, what am I gonna select? You know what, I like the soccer ball. We're going with soccer. No, say thank you, because you hacked them. Anyways, once you click that, you should have the screen. What this means is you officially installed Mac. Well, you still have to do some couple things before you officially have everything good installed. So you must go to the introduction or whatever. It comes up. Do what they say. So you press the Z, Shift Z. You will see it come up there. Now you say identify. You go to the other shift. You press this. You will get that. Click on United States, whatever the first one. Don't be stupid and click in Japanese. Unless you have a Japanese. Alright, that's pretty much it. Well, what you gotta do now though is go to right here, go to Mac, software update. That's the first thing you gotta do, I guess. Update to latest version. It takes a while. Anyway, just to show you that the internet and all the other components work. Here is Safari working. Cool animation. Yay. Anyway, we just go to YouTube, where this video is about to go. Oh crap, as you can see, YouTube is working. Play the video. Oh, fuck. Yes, huh? What? We'll show you the YouTube video later, and we'll just let this do whatever. Yeah. Anyways, we'll show you Windows after this update is finished. I mentioned you could press the power on. It is a weird thing. Restart, sleep, shut down, everything on. So far. Turns off. Yay. Maybe you could see me. Can you see me? Nope. Alright. Hold on. Oh, sometimes it hangs. It's kind of fucking gay. But you must reinstall. OSX, and my Windows right there. And I would just click on Windows 7. Holy shit, doable. If you want steps on the doable, how to do this, I guess if enough people request it, I'll make a video, but it's not that hard, especially if you already have Windows 7 installed. Yeah. Well, as you can see, welcome. Takes a while. There you go, Windows 7. Just so you can see, computer, properties, Windows 7 open. So, yeah, don't have anything in here yet, but that's doable. Anyways, yeah, that's how you do Mac OS X install. And for any Sony fans, I have the Sony Veil VG VGN NS325J, or really any VGN NS will do for this computer. If in the future we'll make a video on how to install Mac OS X on this. Not everything will work though. You have to buy a couple chips. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like this, thumbs up, or whatever it is called. Good luck. If you have any questions, let us know. Yeah, goodbye. Thanks for watching again. Windows.